Bururi waya kugumirwo ni unyihu wa irio ica ikuhi kuumana na thogora wa iguru wa fertilizer hamwe na ugaruruku wa riera angikorwo mbura ya kimera ndi kwambiriria muthiini wa mweri uyu ta uria gutanyitwo. Akiaria hindi ya mushamanio na gikundi kia arimi, murugamiriri wa kambuni ya Yara Vitalis Wafula augite arimi aingi makoretwo makigerera ihinda irito na murigo no uraritoha kuumana na garama ya iguru ya indo ngurani iria mafatie kuhuthira urimi-ini.
We face a challenge of diminishing land sizes, and our productivity of farmers just continues to go lower and lower. So it's important therefore that we bring in technologies and the support that farmers require to increase their productivity per unit area for us to realize the food security that we seek, and that is also in line with the government's Big Four agenda.
As you realize, the cost of farming has gone up, but the cost of seed only constitutes about 5 to 8% of the total cost. Yet it determines the cost, the performance, the yield you get, the returns you get from the 100%.
Cecilia Chepkurui ni murimi kuma Joro kaunti ya Nakuru agitariria ati thogora wa fertilizer na maguta waya gucungiriria arimi aingi gicigo-ini giki gutiganiria urimi wa mbembe.
Ukulima wa viazi na pia anafanya ukulima wa mahindi. Umetusaidia katika ukulima kuteremsha bei na pia kutufunza jinsi ya kutumia Yara Fertilizer kwa mazao mengi, na imeweza kutusaidia kama wakulima wadogo ambao tunajikuza.
Kuringana na ataramu, urugari uria ugumire arimi aingi ihinda-ini riri ukurorererio a Kenya na banene aria mahuthagira gicunji kia 40% kia mishara yao kugura irio. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngena wa Wadurwa.